On today's menu, a crunchy and absolutely delicious vegan Kombu seaweed salad.
Lei home ma everyone, I'm Will Young. If you've been following my channel for a while now, you know I've been making a lot of incredible vegan ramens. So naturally, I'm using a lot of Japanese or Korean kombu. Now I pay quite a premium for these, and rightfully so. They're considered the king of all seaweeds. So this is what I do with the seaweed I have left over. This is the king of all seaweed salads.
Roughly 3 cups worth of kombu.
So we're gonna slice them thinly, and by thin, I mean thin. Just slice the large pieces in half. And the seaweed is quite goopy, so you have to rinse it in cold water really well.
Two tablespoons cane sugar, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Combine. Quarter cup sesame seeds.
Man, that smells incredible.
One cup worth of carrot. One cup worth of daikon. Mix. Plate. Sprinkle with additional sesame seeds. You can now give new life to your kombu in this amazing seaweed salad with absolute confidence.
It's really full circle where you can use every single ingredient and not waste a thing. This is just incredible. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode. If you've been following my channel, incredible kombu. Now I